What's good, everybody? It's your favorite Shut Up and React on this Saturday morning. Saturday morning reactions. I told you all of April, y'all about to get something from me. All of April, one a day. You know what I'm saying? One a day. So we're gonna try to keep the profanity at a very low, so they can, so they can give me the green light, so I can drop it early. You feel me? Because that's the reason why it takes all day, is because we be waiting for monetization and whatnot. But I told Lil Fee he got a little time right now, because I seen something that's more egregious, more nasty, more disrespectful, just more everything than him. So he got a little rest right now. We going to Atlanta. We going to the A, and it's a lot of stuff that I don't know. I just can't wrap my head around it. Like, I just can't wrap my head around these grown-ass men. I don't know, y'all. Just hit the like button. Y'all know what it's about to go down. Shout out to the T, man. The T always keep us updated with the love and flip-flops situation. You know what I'm saying? So hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not already down with us. We growing. We almost at 19,000, I think it is. On our way to 20,000 and up and beyond and all that other good shit. Let's go. Y'all, by the way, y'all will hear some screeching, some arguing, some fighting, some laughing and all that. It's Saturday morning. The girls done had sleepovers, so now it's a house full of kids. So, y'all know what it is. Father shit. She's pregnant. Oh yeah, she's pregnant.
You know what? Tell Pisces to come here. He'll work that area really.
He said he want Pisces to come in here. Who is Pisces?
Yeah, Pisces definitely get in there.
He said Pisces definitely get in there. She must got the fucking wonder hands.
He's speaking like he can, get in there, right? Go ahead and work that area for me, man.
Over here.
Nah, you're not gonna sing. You're not gonna sing O'Shea, Asha, Lola, while you oiling up your hands and rubbing the back of another man. Like, okay, a massage in a professional manner is cool when you got a little, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, I won't even get a massage from a man in a professional setting. No. Me and wife, had couples massages. They come in, and one time it was a woman and a man, and I was like, no, can you go out and get another woman, please? I just can't have another man's hands be just caressing me, talking about some O'Shea, Do Jackson, hula. No, I don't want no O'Shea, nothing. No. He's singing O'Shea. O'Shea. Duke Jackson, my life. Shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson. Oh, she got a pudge. She pregnant. Oh, they got this nigga crucified. Massage. How? Where did those hands come from? Where did those other hands come from? They just popped up out of nowhere. Now, any other circumstances, all right, I will be saying this is extremely pimpish. This is. I don't know. I won't say every man's dreams, because a lot of men don't want.
You want this?
I do want that. Yeah.
Pepper.
That's fine. I don't care. Can I get a fork?
Yeah.
A lot of men don't want mad women just O'Shea. One is enough. You know what I'm saying? As long as she cook. You know what I'm saying? As long as she handle her business, she's your yin to your yang and all that other good stuff. Thank you, Rick. You know what I'm saying? Like, one is enough. One is enough. But 5? 4, 5? And then you got an extra nigga in the back? Talking about some O'Shea. O'Shea. Nah, man.
O'Shea.
O'Shea. Yeah. 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 The hands came up from the. And this nigga is just in the back, just finessing it.
Right here, bitch. They said Zoca looks sick. Come here, Zoca. Stand up.
He said right here, bitch.
Yes.
Why she gotta do all that with this 12-year-old? What is this?
Does she look sick? Show him your arms.
Oh, I can see some dry patches there. Yeah.
Eczema. Very bad eczema.
Yeah. She
Wow.
do got bad
You want to
eczema.
tell the people why you look like this?
Because I was disobedient to God, and that I've been healing my generational curses, and a lot of different things are coming out of me that I was not aware of, and I'm having to work on those things on a day-to-day basis.
She got baby teeth, bro. She's 19, 20, tops. I'm gonna give her 19, 20, 21. What are you doing with this little girl, Nature Boy? What are you doing with a little girl like this? What are you, 40 plus? There's no reason for you to be 40 plus years old to be with a 20-year. You know what? People will say, well, if she's 21, 22, yeah, okay, legally, it may be cool. But mentally, what do you have? How can y'all even connect on a level like that? Like, you've seen shit, you've done shit, you've witnessed stuff that this woman could never even imagine because she's not old enough. She got the edges coming all out and everything, and she's talking about something, stuff coming out of her because she disobeyed God and what?
And who's helped you with that?
My Messiah, my Savior, has helped me with it. It's actually, eczema's been in my family for a long time. It hasn't been healed.
Eczema?
But he's healing it.
Right, and most women are just hiding these things behind makeup, right? Mm-hmm. They're hiding behind wigs. This is what your woman looks like behind a wig and a makeup, nigga. White supremacy did a number on us.
What? Nigga. Forget Zoca face. Forget Zoca's. Forget hers. What's up with yours, nigga? What's up with your face, nigga? Thank you, man. What's up with your face, nigga? Huh? Got some fruit. Mm-hmm. What's up with your mouth? Look like you got the mouth, the Joker mask on. Nigga, what?
In the process of healing, motherfucker, shit gonna come up. The truth comes up. Everything that's hidden comes to the dark. Mm-hmm. Everything that's in the dark comes to the light. And everything that hidden comes to the dark.
What's up with her eye? What? She got glaucoma or something?
Bring it to me.
Yes. I can hold you.
I said immediately, bitch. Stop fucking with me. I'll tell you something. I mean it immediately.
Eventually, I have to break.
Don't do something first. Do it first. Say it.
Did y'all hear her voice? She's about to cry. Yo, someone please call 911. Look at her eye. It's like Forrest Whitaker's. The last king of Scotland eye. What the hell is going on? Three God first. Three God first. What? You're the man. She sounded like that white girl off of Whoop That Trick. You're the man, D. What?
Something first. Do it first. Say it.
This is abuse on the highest level. This is abuse, y'all. We somebody called Johnny Cochran, rest in peace. Somebody called Trump. Somebody help. Somebody help these women. Look at their eyes. When I pause it, the demon comes out of their eyes. They need help. They blinking for help me. Help me. They need help, y'all. For real. Why is this nigga butt ass naked doing this? What is wrong with this nigga? What is wrong with this nigga? She done. All she doing is in her mind, she thinking like, I can't wait to escape this shit. I can't wait. I'm gonna write a tell-all book. I'm going on Shut Up and React TV to do an interview. I'm going to the T. I'm going everywhere. Yup, I'm going everywhere. I can't wait, nigga. I'm telling everything. Come to the light. Come to the light. Yup, that's what she thinking right now. I promise you. You know,
everything comes to the light. There's no one to hide from. All your deepest, darkest secrets are being recorded by you. Oh, just because the white man doesn't see you doesn't mean you're not guilty. Just because the law didn't catch you or no one caught you doesn't mean you're not guilty. What's behind all the makeup?
What's wrong with these women? Like, for real, I joke to make light of the situation, to bring some humor and whatnot, but there's real mental illness going on right now, and I'm talking about all the way from the top of the chain all the way to the bottom. There's real mental illness going on with this whole situation. Now, I'm not gonna react to the whole thing because it's hours. I think it is. What's this? Let's see if there's some interesting parts in here that I can react to while 6 kids go crazy. Excuse me. But this is bad. This is bad that people are watching this and want to go and join this shit. Now, if he wasn't brainwashing and doing all this weird other extra crazy shit, I would just be like, yo, he pimping. He got a bunch of bitches. Like, okay, cool. Like, all right, whatever. He got a compound of females over there. All right, he doing his thing. But he trying to bring in God and all this other stuff. And that's where the problem lies. That's where the problem lies. Now, everybody here is going to need some type of mental therapy, some type of psychiatric evaluation when and if they leave. All right, now I'm gonna leave it off on this because I gotta go. I gotta eat my breakfast, and you hear all that in the background, right? wifey can't handle all that by herself. So I do these reactions to highlight the mental illness that's in our community. All right. We always are looking for someone to lead us, always looking for somebody to be the leader, when we can all be leaders ourselves. We don't have to go to one person to have them lead us. We all are leaders. And that's my message. That's my message. All right? That's why I do these reactions, like the Young Pharaoh reactions and the Nature Boys and all that, because all these dudes want you to bow down to them. That's not cool. It's your favorite, man. Come to the light, come to the light.